Imagine this. A simple exercise that requires no equipment, takes just 5 minutes of your day, and delivers a surprising range of benefits. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, the plank might just be that magic bullet. For years, the plank has been a staple in fitness routines, praised for its ability to sculpt a toned core. But is that all there is to this exercise? Let's embark on a journey to discover what happens to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day. First things first, let's talk core. Your core isn't just about washboard abs, although those can be a perk. It's a complex network of muscles that runs from your diaphragm to your pelvis, providing stability and support for your entire body. Think of it as your body's internal scaffolding. Here's where the plank shines. Holding a plank for just a few minutes engages a multitude of core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, or the six-pack, obliques, which work the sides of your waist, and the erector spinae, or lower back. Stronger core muscles translate to better posture, improved balance, and a reduced risk of injury in everyday activities. But the benefits of planking extend far beyond your core. This isometric exercise, meaning your muscles contract without changing length, works wonders on your upper body too. Your shoulders, chest, and triceps, back of your arms, all get a workout as you hold the plank position. Ever feel that nagging back pain creeping in after a long day hunched over a desk? Plank to the rescue. By strengthening your core and upper back muscles, planking helps maintain proper posture. No more hunching. You'll be standing tall and radiating confidence in no time. Here's a secret weapon for weight management: planking. Regularly challenging your muscles with planks can actually increase your metabolism, the rate at which your body burns calories. This means you'll be burning more calories throughout the day, even when you're not actively exercising. Ever feel like a baby giraffe learning to walk when you try to stand on one leg? Planking can help with that too. This exercise strengthens your stabilizer muscles, those tiny but crucial muscles that help you maintain balance. Improved balance translates to better coordination in all your physical activities, from sports to simply navigating the grocery store aisles. So you're convinced planking is the key to unlocking a stronger, healthier you. But how much is enough? The beauty of the plank is its adaptability. Beginners can start with shorter holds, 15 to 30 seconds, and gradually increase the duration as they get stronger. Remember, proper form is paramount. Holding a plank for an extended period with bad technique can do more harm than good. Focus on quality over quantity and listen to your body. Here's the kicker. Multiple sets with short rest periods might be even more effective than one long hold. Think of it like this. Short bursts of intense effort followed by recovery periods allow your muscles to work harder and recover faster. While the benefits of planking are undeniable, there are a few things to keep in mind. Pregnant women and those with back injuries, hernias, or joint problems should avoid planking or consult a healthcare professional before starting. Similarly, people prone to high blood pressure might need to adjust their routine or avoid planking altogether. Now, let's talk technique. The secret sauce to unlocking the full potential of the plank. Imagine yourself in a push-up position, but instead of hands flat, lower yourself onto your forearms. Your body should form a straight line from head to toe, with your core engaged and your back flat. Keep your neck relaxed and in line with your spine. Your forearms should be shoulder-width apart, with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Engage your glutes, butt muscles, to prevent your lower back from sagging. Breathe deeply and rhythmically throughout the hold. Feeling a bit bored with the classic plank? Don't sweat it. The plank world offers exciting variations to keep things interesting and target different muscle groups. Here are a few ideas to spice up your routine. Number 1. The side plank. Want to challenge your obliques? Hold a plank on one side at a time. Raise your hips for an extra burn and feel that fire in your sides. Number 2. High plank. Crank up the difficulty by raising your hands onto a sturdy platform like a bench or step. This one will get your upper body working even harder. Number 3. Plank with leg raise. Craving a lower body challenge too? Extend one leg straight out behind you while holding the plank. Feel the core engagement and that delicious leg shake the good kind. Number 4. Plank walkouts. Get your heart pumping with plank walkouts. Walk your hands forward and back from a high plank position. This is a fantastic way to elevate your plank game and get that blood flowing. The plank is a simple yet powerful exercise that unlocks a treasure chest of benefits for your body. From a rock-solid core and improved posture to better balance and even a metabolism boost, the plank is a goldmine for any fitness routine. Nonetheless, here are some key takeaways to remember. Start slow and make sure your form is on point. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. And remember, recovery is key. Explore different plank variations to keep things fresh and exciting. Thank you for joining us on Discovering Hub Sports. What did you think of our video? Please share your thoughts on our video in the comments section below. If you found it enjoyable, we encourage you to spread the word to your friends and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X as well.